In this video, we'll show you how to change the front bumper brackets on your Chevy Silverado. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. In order to change the front bumper brackets on your vehicle, you will need to remove the bumper to have full access. Using a fork, remove the 8 holding rivets. Then, remove it. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts holding the grille assembly in place. Then, unclip the 4 grille upper retainers. Then, unclip the grille. You can now remove the grille assembly. Then, from the wheel arch, unscrew the screw holding the bumper using a ratchet and a Torx T15 bit. Then, shift the mudguard. Repeat this step on the other side. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 15mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the bumper to the side holding bar. Repeat this step on the other side. Then, using a ratchet, an extension, and an 18mm socket, unscrew the 2 upper bumper retaining bolts on the front bumper brackets. Have someone hold the bumper while unscrewing the bolts so as not to damage the bumper. Now unscrew the 2 lower retaining bolts using the same tools. If your truck is equipped with fog lights or parking assist sensors, disconnect and remove the various connectors using a fork. Disengage the bumper from the fenders by pulling it towards the front of the vehicle. The front bumper is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 15mm socket, unscrew the 3 bolts holding the metal bracket on the frame. Then remove the bracket. You can order the front bumper bracket used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bracket. Put it back on the frame. Then screw the 3 retaining bolts back in. Put the front bumper back in place. Then reinsert the bumper cover under the fenders. Screw the 2 upper retaining bolts back on. Then the 2 lower retaining bolts. Screw the 2 side holding bars retaining bolts back on. If necessary, reconnect and reclip the harnesses. Put the mudguard back in place. Then, retighten the retaining screw. Repeat this step on the other side. Put the grille assembly back on and retighten the 4 bolts. Put the radiator support cover back in place, and then the 8 rivets. Operation complete.